I know that you're trying to fix me, but I don't wanna be like you. If you wanna take it back to the 50s, maybe I'm not the guy for you. You're dying not to work, but work until you die, you know that's true. Have you thought it through? Cause you love to tell me what to do.
What's going on? And I said, hey, yeah, step outside. Hey, yeah. I like when the way you are when we're driving in your car and you're talking to me one-on-one and you become.
Ayun, sundan sa left. Sa left yung kami.
Tuturo niya, ang cute.
Tuna belly, pork barbecue.
Lutong bahay. Let's go lutong bahay.
Naglutong bahay tayo kanina.
Paki-explain yung game. Anong game na nilalaro ngayon?
So, this is what you call cabo. The first round, you just have to discard the
Game master yan.
yes, ang hirap explain. So, pababaan lang to, girl. Pababaan lang.
Oh! Ano eh, alam mo silent killer ka.
Ipapanggap lang to. Open!
Sila yung nakikita ng Paris and 4.
1 and 2.
Okay.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Pak, 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 pak. Pak, 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 pak.
Hey girl, I can lick it, I can ride it while you slipping and sliding. I can do all them little tricks and keep the dick up inside it.
5, 6, 7, 8. Pop, 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 pa. Pop, 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 pa. Oh, di ba madali lang?
Hindi.
Simula sa'yo. Magbigay ng brand ng beer. Unang magkamali. Ulit. Shot! Puno. Brand ng beer. San Miguel. Represent.
Budweiser.
Corona.
Ooh! Sukatan ng paa, ang pinakamalit na paa ay ilaw. Hoy, grabe na rin, bitch.
Mabilis na kayo, right?
Jakarta yan.
Go, 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 go! I think go, go!
Ating! 3, 4, bilis nyo!
Kuya, sabi niya.
Hoy! Lumabas ka sa katawan niya! Lumabas ka sa katawan niya! Lumabas ka! Lumabas ka! Lumabas!
Dubai, dapat ako mag-start eh.
Madaya,
Hoy,
madaya.
bakit? Bakit ka nang nilirik sa simula?
Hindi ko rin alam yun.
You shoot me down. But I would fall.
Born broke, nothing to lose. Far away, far away.
Ricochet, take your aim. Far away, far away.
Shoot me down, but I won't fall. I can take
Wow,
it.
galing.
Shoot me down, and I won't
drag show game. So, pipili sila ng song of their choice. Kailangan nilang i-lip sync the most convincing drag way possible.
Patay yung voice pa.
Umaling sa nagniningning mong mga mata. Isang bituin na mula sa langit. Namumungkad-kad ang aking alikaya sa tuwing ika'y papalapit na. You call me again, drunk in your Benz, driving home under the influence. And I don't talk to you about you want me, and I never told you more than anything that so don't waste the time I don't have. Don't try to make me feel bad and talk about it.
Ganda.
You are my everything. Cause I'm Hello, it's me. Hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done, but it don't matter. Clearly doesn't tear you apart anymore.
I'm almost done with makeup, guys, and like yung regular makeup ko lang naman with like foundation and kilay and eyes. For my blush, I will be wearing itong Get Ready With Me na milk tint. Ito yung second version nila. And I am actually very happy sa new packaging kasi mas malaki siya, mas sturdy, and mas maganda, mas madaling gamitin. And it's gigantic. Malaki pala to. So I'll be mixing the shade Soufflé at saka yung Sugar. Sugar yung favorite ko from the original or the flagship shades. Itong Soufflé bago siya. It's a cool pink. Maganda yung amoy. I like it. And I also like the formula na light lang siya. Manipis, hindi siya sobrang thick, hindi siya sobrang creamy. Alam mo yung, hindi siya like the silicone type of other tints or yung mga ganitong klaseng blush. Parang skin lang siya, diba? Meron akong favorite lip combo sa lips ko, which is Happy Skin. Ito yung lip nila in Unplugged. Nalagay ko lang siya. Nag-lip liner na pala ako, guys. So, yung lip liner nyo, actually, pwedeng kahit anong shade. Pink or nude will work. Tapos, ina-apply ko lang siya sa, actually, all over the lips na. Tapos, pwede nyo patungan ng darker lip shade. So, ang ginagamit ko lagi, itong Maybelline na Super Ink. Kasi, hindi ko lang talaga masabi agad yung shade. Kasi, ang problema dito sa Super Ink na to, yung packaging niya, wala dito yung shade. Itong shade na to, may mga deep red na hindi cool yung undertone. We're off to lunch, guys. May restaurant sila. Dito rin yung food. Pwede magdala ng food. Pero light snacks lang yung pwede. Light snacks and drinks. Sinigang.
Had a few kids, bought a new house, Promised you heaven, but it never did work out. Got a new job and moved uptown. I bought you everything you never questioned why.
Ang struggle ng bangs ko. Ang hirap ng ganitong lentong hindi naiipit sa tenga. Kakatapos lang namin maglaro ng badminton. So fun. Maraming activities dito. So, merong ATV. Pero free, I think, yung archery, yung bike, yung badminton, of course, swimming, and may kayak din dito. Guys, bigyan naman natin ng round of applause talaga ang Nippon Glue Lashes. Dahil kahit anong mangyari, kahit pawis pa yan or swimming, sis, walang tanggal-tanggal yan.
Bad guys, open your eyes and get to know who the other bad guys are. There's only 2 in the game. And now, bad guys, close your eyes, keep your thumbs up. Merlin, whoever you are, open your eyes and get to see who the bad guys are. Alright, Merlin, don't forget who the bad guys are. Merlin, bad guys, put down your thumbs. Merlin, close your eyes. Everybody, arms away from the table. Everybody, open your eyes.
Parang may yoga muna.
Tapos
no?
cheers na.
Meditation.
Cheers.
Agad. Grabe si ate niya.
May hinahabol ito.
May hinahabol ah.
Oh, you look like Bambi. Ala!
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record,